Good evening, sir. My name is Marjorie Cuenca, and here is my midterm exam about query. So, yung first na gagawin is retrieve all primary products from the database and organize them based on size. So, ang ginawa ko po is sinelect ko si product name, product size, and product piece from product table. And in order, ko po sila by product size. Yung next is obtain product set to expire in August from the product table. Next is sinelect ko po sila, select all from product table where kung ano yung month na expiry date niya, which is August. Lahat ng expiry date na merong August yung month. Next is calculate the total sales from the product cart table including product name, size, and quantity. Next is sinelect ko po yung product name, size, and product quantity. And pinag-plus ko po lahat ng total as total sales from product cart and ginroup ko po sila by product name, size, and product quantities. Next is retrieve all records from the sales table and group them by date. So, sinelect all ko po sila from sales kung saan po yung mga date uploaded na mga products. Next is determine the number of entries in the product cart table. Bale dito po is ika-count lang na lahat ng mga nasa loob ng product cart natin kung ilan yung nilalaman. That's all. Thank you po sa pakikinig.